Hey y'all, caterpillar cuteness is a thing. So let's go see some of these adorable little guys residing in my Florida butterfly garden. We'll start with this little guy right here. Okay, adorableness thing number one. Look at how their little antennae move when they munch. It is the cutest thing. I feel like they're playing like the drums or something. This guy is munching on aquatic milkweed, or Asclepias perennis, which is a native milkweed for where I am in Florida. And look, there's another little guy right down here. Look at this one. Okay, here's another adorable little guy. He's also on aquatic milkweed. This one's bands are darker. When it's cooler, their darker bands get thicker and wider because dark absorbs all light and therefore more heat, because light and heat go together. Get his little antenna curl forward. Absolutely adorable. Hello there. Aren't you cute? Look at his little feet. Hello, mister. It's like his antenna is stuck on the side of his body. This is a younger one. I would guess a third instar. With each molting of their exoskeleton, their little yellow coloring gets brighter and they get more of the white on their little feet. Okay, now we're going to go into my garden room, which is a Florida room, which is a screen room with vinyl windows, where I have my lepidarium, where I raise just a few types of caterpillars. And there it is. These are my favorites, so we'll save them for last. And then right here are the Gulf fritillary caterpillars I went hunting for in a recent video. This is one of the little Gulf fritillary caterpillars we found, one of the two, and he is doing just fine. So adorable. You guys, I brought in 2 live caterpillars and I haven't been able to find the other one, but I think I spotted it. I think he somehow got off and he's down there in the corner. Do you see him? I'm going to go get him. It's going to be hard because he's little and I hope he's alive. You guys, I got him and he's alive. Look at this little guy. All right, so I'm going to lay him on this leaf where the other one is, so I'll know they're both on the same plant. Okay, he's on the leaf. Next up are the zebra longwings. These guys become beautiful butterflies, and they host on the same host plant as the Gulf fritillary, which in my garden I use Passiflora incense. Y'all know it's Passiflora incense, which is a hybrid, not a native. It comes up everywhere, but I want it to because I use it for these guys. It's a good choice for a butterfly garden, but not a good choice if you aren't raising the caterpillars because it'll be everywhere. These guys were on a stem cutting that was wilting, so I just trimmed all the little wilted leaves they were on and laid them on this new stem that is not wilting, and they're already climbing on and moving around, which is fabulous. And their little spiky spikes are not sharp, and they are not poisonous or harmful. They're just meant to scare off predators. This little bundle of adorableness is a giant swallowtail caterpillar. One of my favorites, as I've said in many, many videos. He is on this host plant wild lime. They host on citrus, plants and trees in the citrus family. Wild lime is just my preferred host plant, and they love it. It does very well for me. They have a cool adaptation. Well, they have multiple cool adaptations. First of all, they look like a combination of bird poop, but then if you look at them straight on, they kind of look like a serpent to scare away predators. But they also have these cool little osmeterium that they'll shoot up, except mine usually don't because they know me. So he's not gonna show them to you. Let's see, maybe this guy will. Hello, mister. He says, no, I know who you are. All right. Well, you don't get to see the osmeterium. Cool thing about these guys and all swallowtails is an adaptation they have is that they overwinter. So these guys, more than likely, when they pupate or form their chrysalis, will stay in their chrysalis all winter long, and then they'll eclose or hatch out of their chrysalis, emerge from their chrysalis, and fly in the spring. And so that's how they make it in cold climates. So you never know, in your garden you might have some of these guys in chrysalis form on your plants, so be careful what you chop and prune, because you might be moving some of these guys and unknowingly being part of their demise, I guess you would say. This is what their chrysalis looks like, and you can see it just looks like a little chunk of wood, so it'd be really easy to miss. So if you have citrus or wild lime plants in your garden, you know, just leave them be. Let these little guys be the butterflies they want to be in the spring. No trimming, no throwing anything away. There we go. This little one, he's decided he'll be sassy. See those little red extensions? They look like antennae. Those are called osmeterium. And they also release an odor when they send them out. It's like a warning sign to predators, a poof of odor, and those little things coming out at you. See, you just put them back in. You wouldn't even know they were there. That's one of their adaptation designs for survival. They're really interesting caterpillars, and one of the easiest to raise. If you were ever thinking about raising a caterpillar and these are native to your area, I would do these 100%, and they're adorable. And then last but not least, at least what I have right now, there are others for sure, lots of others, but this next one I'm going to show you are my absolute favorite to raise. They're just my favorite. They're adorable. I mean, I couldn't think of a cuter video to put up on a day where in the United States we're celebrating being thankful. Because I am thankful and I am grateful that I have these adorable little caterpillars in my lepidarium. I think they look like little oxen. Aren't they cute? I mean, look at this adorableness. This is my younger group. There's only 4 of them. But look how cute they are, hanging out together on their little leaf. Polydamas Swallowtails, my #1 favorite caterpillar to raise. I love them. And this is a Polydamas Swallowtail chrysalis. I hope you enjoyed this video full of caterpillar adorableness. And tap the like button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.